Simple tree drawing time-lapse videos. This video primarily serves as instruction for beginning artists who are just learning how to draw trees. It is not intended for professionals. So let's start drawing. I completely drew the tree with a black ballpoint pen and 3 colored pencils. Let's now begin at the base of the tree. Draw the tree's trunk first, then draw the branches as they spread out to the top. Make sure the tree appears to be a natural one. Try connecting the branches' leaves now. Draw as many as you'd like for it to appear natural. Now, assuming that the shadow is on the left and that the sunshine is coming from the right, place the dark shade on the left side of the branches. As you can see in the video. Currently, draw the slender upper branches of the tree. Now again draw the leaves for the branches. Please subscribe to my channel. Using the pen or pencil you are holding, try to add more darkened leaves to the tree. As you can see, you can finish your drawing without adding any color. If not, you can still color. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.